What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Abu, and for this video, I am going to help you learn how to add your created LUT file on your 3D LUT file dropdown list by default so you don't have to load it every time you want to add this LUT or filter to your photo. This is a follow-up on my previous video, how to create your own LUT filters and plug it into your Photoshop. Please find the link on the description below. Alright, let's move on to our first step. Locate the filter that you have saved as cube file. Then, copy or move the file to. For Windows it would be in Drive C. Then, Program Files. Adobe Folder. Adobe Photoshop. And then, Presets. Now, inside, look for 3D LUTS folder. And paste it right here. Restart your Photoshop. Once Photoshop is open, load any new photo. Click on the adjustment layer icon. Choose Color Lookup. Click the drop-down menu. And check to see if you have it there. Yes, there it is. And, congratulations! You've just learned how to create your own LUTS filters and plug it into your Photoshop, and you don't have to load it every time you want to add this LUT filter to your photo. Please catch me on my next videos to learn more on how to put your creative skills using Photoshop. I would like to hear from you and let me know if this works for you or you've got other way of doing this using Photoshop. Just comment down below and don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.